Welcome to Kiss and Kids!
Candy, chocolate, very sweet. Little heroes take a treat. But too much is not so right. Teeth can hurt and tummies tight. Jigsaw salty, crunchy too. Little heroes eat a few. Don't eat too many, just a bite. Healthy food keeps you bright. Soda fizzy, bubbles fly. Little heroes sip and sigh. Too much sugar makes you slow. Healthy habits help you grow. Burgers, fries, oh what a sight. Little heroes eat a bite. Don't eat all, just a little treat. Fruits and veggies can't be beat. Ice cream cold, scoop so high. Little heroes taste and sigh. Too much makes your tummy ache. Eat with care for health's sake. Cookies sweet, sugar small. Little heroes eat them all. Too many snacks will make you slow. Healthy food helps you grow. Chocolate bars, gum and cake. Little heroes sometimes take. But don't eat too much, just a small bite. Healthy food keeps you bright. Donuts, muffins, cupcakes too. Little heroes eat a few. Sugar high is fun and sweet, but healthy food can't be beat. Popcorn with butter, salty snack. Little heroes munch and snack. Just a little, not too much. Fruits and veggies are better touch. Candy canes, lollipops too. Little heroes take a few. Too much sugar makes you slow. Healthy food helps you grow. Chips and fries in little bowls. Little heroes eat small rolls. Too much salt can hurt your heart. Healthy snacks are better start. Soda, juice, fizzy drink. Little heroes take a drink. Too much sugar makes you weak. Healthy drinks are what we seek. Chocolate, fudge, sugar treat. Little heroes sometimes eat. Just a little, not all day. Fruits and veggies lead the way. Cake and pie so soft and sweet. Little heroes take a treat. Too much makes tummy ache. Healthy snacks are better take. Candy, chocolate, chips and fries. Little heroes eat just wise. Fruits and milk, veggies too. Give us strength for work and play. Snacks sometimes, not all the time. Little heroes learn the right. Sugar fun is sometimes okay. Healthy food wins every day. Junk food fun for every day. Little heroes sometimes play, but too much is not okay. Healthy food helps grow and stay. Sweets and treats are fun to eat. Little heroes munch a treat, but too much sugar is not right. Healthy food keeps bodies bright. Snack a little, taste and share. Little heroes always care. Candy, chips, soda, fries. Healthy food is always wise. Chocolate, cupcakes, donuts too. Little heroes eat a few. Fruits and veggies make us strong. Little heroes sing this song.
Thanks for watching Kiss and Kids! See you next time!